Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chef B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to say subscribe down below. Now for today's video, we will be doing a full wash day routine. And sis, look at my head top. Like, sis, what is going on up here? So this was right after I took down my braidless crochet wig. So what you're seeing in the front is the leave out that I had, and it's all gunky with leave-in and gel and all type of edge control and stuff. Like, ooh, cha, I have to mentally prepare myself for wash day because ooh, this is stressful. So we're gonna say a word of prayer and then let's get on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out these struggle braids in my hair. This was under my braidless crochet wig, so it was supposed to be a protective styling, and but sis, with this cold air in Toronto right now, and add that to the eczema on my scalp, the dryness of my hair, like, ooh, this is not cute. Like, we have to add some moisture into this hair. Like, it's not happening right now. Like, this ain't cute, sis. Like, no, let's go. So for today's wash day routine, I'll be using Natural Club cleansing avocado shampoo, and I've been using Natural Club for about 2 years now, and I absolutely love their product. Their product always restore my hair to great standing. Like, honestly, love their product. So this is a cleansing shampoo that I'm starting off with. Now, a lot of people like to skip shampoos, but sis, do you see, listen, on a full wash day, you need some cleansing shampoo. Okay, your scalp will appreciate it. You need to get the gunk out. You need to get the product out. You can't be cold washing on a day like this. No, we need a full wash day. So we need a cleansing shampoo, and I like when it's foamy. I like when it's sudsy like this. Like, I feel it cleaning my hair. I need to feel it cleaning. So you see these nails are not just made for looks. I'm a scratch, well, not scratch, I'm a massage my scalp. I'm gonna get that itch, okay, same time as cleaning. So we're multitasking right now. We're getting the itch, the deep itch in the middle. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, you see my face? Ooh, cha. For the next step, I'll be using the hydrating avocado conditioner, also from Natural Club, and you need to add back that hydration into your hair after you shampoo. So usually these products say to use a dime size. I ain't never seen a dime in my life. I'm from Jamaica, we don't use dimes, so we finna use a lot because we need the hydration. So is this a dime size? I don't even know. So I'm just gonna rub the product in my hands and then just do like a pat all over type of thing to distribute the conditioner in all areas of my hair, focusing especially on the ends. And then I'm going to work the product into my hair till it gets to the roots. So we're just going to massage the product in, and basically I usually leave my conditioners in for at least 5 minutes to just feel like the product is working. So I leave it in for 5 minutes before I rinse it out. And I like to detangle my hair while the conditioner is in, because obviously the conditioner gives it the best slip in your hair, unless you pre-poo. But even if I pre-poo, I need to detangle with my conditioner in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do my hair in 4 sections and then try to detangle from the tips or ends of my hair till I get to the roots. After having my conditioner in my hair for about 5 minutes, I rinse it out with warm water. Then I'm going to use this dry hair solution deep conditioner from Natural Club. And as it says, it's for dry hair. Okay, this is very essential in my winter wash day routine, especially when I'm doing I need a deep treatment. So usually I use these type of deep treatments maybe 2 to 4 weeks at a time, but it depends on what I feel my hair needs. In the winter, I feel like it needs more love, like it needs deep conditioner more than ever, so I do it every 2 weeks, or just when I feel like I just need that extra boost, my hair needs that extra care, that extra TLC. So for this, I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections, and then I'm going to try to distribute the product evenly as much as I can through my hair. So this is how it's looking. This is the consistency of the product. And yeah, I'm focusing firstly on the ends of my hair, then I work the product up to close to the roots as possible. So focus on the ends. You want to get the product in. The solution looks really small. They have different sizes for deep conditioner, so I actually used the whole pack for my hair. Like, I had some excess even after I did all 4 sections, and I just, whatever is left in it, I just put on whichever section I wanted to put more on. So after I work the product into my hair, I'm just gonna take my detangling comb or any type of wide tooth comb that you have and detangle again. So your hair is supposed to have even less knots, because when you do the deep conditioner, if you detangle like I do, it's like nothing. It's like so smooth. Okay, like it's like butter, like your hair is super soft. So obviously with tighter coils, it's still gonna have a little bit of, maybe feel a little bit of knot here or there, but it's not supposed to be anything like drastic or dramatic. It's supposed to be like a smooth sailing through your hair with this second detangling. So yeah, I'm gonna do all 4 sections, and then I'm going to put it under you can use a steam cap, shower cap, plastic bag, like whatever you have, and then you're gonna let this sit in your hair for about 45 minutes. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it for my winter wash day routine for dry hair, or if my hair just feels like it needs a boost in moisture and hydration. This is typically what I would do. So this is the end of it, and basically I'm just showing you guys how my hair looked after I have finished the wash day. Then I stretched my hair. This is my hair after it's stretched out, moisturized, and all of that. And I did do a natural hairstyle with my hair. If you guys recognize the makeup, the video is already on my channel. So this whole look that I did for this style is on my channel, so I'll leave the link in the description bar down below. And this is the end of the video. I hope this tutorial was very helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go on ahead and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much for watching. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.